Hey, hi everyone. Today we are here with a fun project where we are giving a makeover to this bedroom's entryway wall. So you can mark the wall with a pencil till the height you intend to do a makeover. Sand it well so that there is no existing layer of paint. This will ensure that your primer and your paint sticks well at the later steps. Once your sanding is done, you can stick some ply panels which you can get from a nearby ply store. Use Fevicol and tiny nails to stick them up in a desired pattern. Once that's done, coat it up with 2 layers of wall primer and also ensure that there aren't any gaps between the wall and the panels. If there are, please make a paste of white cement and use it to fill up the gaps. Once that's dried, you can use a color of your choice and paint the wall well. Here we've used a color green from Asian Paints.